This is mounting your accessories on your R2. Tools needed would be a 4mm hex head wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to start with the umbrella holder. The umbrella holder is going to come with 6 shims. That's 3 different sizes, a thin, medium, and large. We're going to be using the thin and the medium to mount the umbrella holder. We're going to mount this piece on there, thread side down. That's how it turned, and it goes on there like that. Go ahead and tighten that down. So we're going to mount this there. Put the big nut underneath. There you go, now you can do your adjustments there. That's the umbrella holder. Cell phone holder. It's going to come with these rubber pieces on the inside. You don't need those. Get rid of that. Spread that up on there. Phillips screwdriver. The cup holder. I like it right there. Just open that up, clamp that down on there. This is the scorecard holder. You're going to spread that open. You really got to pry on this to get it open here. It'll hold right there. Put this knob on the outside. There's a nut that comes with it. Put that in there. I'll tighten it down. That's it.